on week 6 of the FMP, we're in week 5, I did more research on stitches and crocheting. Is the research on stitches, and then I did research on the acrylic yarn, different types of yarn. So here's the acrylic yarn research I did, and then I did the sustainability of it, and here's the sustainability of wool and the benefits of wool, and then I did a conclusion of what yarn I'm going to be choosing. For my FMP, I'm going to be picking to use acrylic yarn, as though I understand that it's way worse for the environment. Acrylic yarn is much more cheaper than wool, which is pretty expensive, and for the size of this project, and in terms of budgeting, I think it would be a better affordable reason to pick acrylic over yarn, so I will be using acrylic. And with acrylic you can also find more of the colour that you really want, and that would be very helpful. I typed out my audience research that I got from the Google form that I made. Here's the Google form. It's mainly about Heathers. My target audience for my research was around 16 to 20 fans of musicals and Heathers, and so I tried to send the form out to that demographic, and here are the responses I got. Well, a lot more people than I expected knew about Heathers, and that was great, because then I reached my target audience, and then the results I got would be more beneficial to me. Next I asked was favorite characters and why, and the most popular character was JD, which is pretty unsurprising to hear. He's personally my favorite character too. Then it was Heather Nakamura, because we all rooted for her. And then surprisingly, Veronica, the main character, she was still one of the top 3 favorites, but the last out of the 3 of them. Then I did kind of to see if the character's design in Heathers was that effective. So I compiled a few images of green things and see if people could guess what character this represents. And a lot of people got it right, because at the end of the day it's not that hard. Heathers is very blatant about what colour goes to which character, and the silhouette question with JD, it was probably a bit more challenging, but still 24 out of 31 people got the answer correct, which probably proved more that silhouettes are really important when designing characters. I also this week finished my rationale, because I was kind of struggling on what words to use for the project concept. So I finally finished that, and it's now done, as well as my UAL form, because I didn't get to sign it out at first, but now it's all there, and I can now add these to my website, as my research is now complete. Well, research is ongoing, but next time I really want to be doing designs, because this week I really should have been doing my designs, but I missed a bit of time last week, so it kind of bled into this week. So I think on the weekend I want to catch up, so I won't be as behind. Yeah.